How to activate Windows 11. So to start, what we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen, tap on the search bar, and then in here we'll have to type settings. Once you see settings, simply tap on the open option. So under settings, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then simply tap on the system option. After that, we'll have to scroll down, look for this option activation. Tap on this one, and then in here as you can see, mine is already activated. If your Windows is not activated, what you need to do is to go on this upgrade your edition of Windows. After that, you will see this change product key. Go on the right part and then tap on the change option. And then after that, in here you will have to type your product key. Once you're done, tap on the next option. So that's how easy we can activate Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.